Welcome to our training video. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to create product category, subcategory, and attribute in your IDMC.ai. Let's get started. Once you have logged into your IDMC dashboard, look towards the left side and find the Products section. When you click on Products, you will see an option for Store. Go ahead and select Store. After you select Store, a new window will appear displaying the product management area. Look towards the left side. You will see a button that says Create Product. Go ahead and select Create Product. Here's where you can fill out all necessary product details, like name, description, price, and image, and create category as needed. Once everything looks good, locate the Create Product button at the top right side to finalize it. Take a moment to look over your product management area to check your newly created product. If you see your newly created product listed, congratulations, you have successfully created a product with IDMC. If you need any help, please reach out to our support team, who will be happy to assist you.